How you doing, guys? This is Dana from Maslin Investing. Thank you guys for coming back, tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed our other videos. This one, what I want to talk about is this whole land thing. It's really a numbers game. I've said it before. The more you solicit, the more you'll get in return. I've done it for years. Certain times I'll dial it down. Certain times I'll just hit it full speed ahead, depending on the market. Where I'm at with what my goals are at that particular time. But the name of the game is, if you want to make money, you keep your mailers going, you keep your postcards, whatever you're using as a solicitation source, or if you have more than one, keep them cranking. Once you dial in your farm areas, you understand the value of the deals, what you want to offer, what your solid number is, just keep hammering the market. I talked about in an earlier video, I've gotten some stuff recently from a couple of years back that I pretty much forgot about. Purchase agreements I sent out, and they just came back. One of them I just recently talked about in a video. A lady called me from almost 2 years ago, a solicitation in a particular area, and she finally got to the point where she was real motivated now. Needed some money, got herself in a jam, and worked out great. I sent her a purchase agreement. I think we closed just by the end of the year, the first of the year, like I told her I would. Worked out for both of us. I solved her problem. I was able to make a little money on a deal and move on to the next one. But it's a short video. Just keep the mailers going. Understand your areas. Understand the time of the year when you're mailing, so you don't bottleneck. You don't want to get too much in. You can't move them. Other times they move quicker. So be a student of business. But most of all, keep the ball rolling. Keep your solicitations out there. Know your values, and you'll do fine. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is just a short video. If you'd like to hit the like, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Go out there and inspire someone today. Thanks again, guys. Have a great week.